One of the worst examples is Palestine, where over 37,000 innocent civilians, mostly women and children, have been killed, and over 2 million have been displaced by Israel's indiscriminate and unabated bombing. SU must outrightly denounce this barbaric act and call for an immediate and unconditional ceasefire leading to the implementation of the two-state solution, which includes the establishment of the Palestine as a viable, secure and contiguous state on the basis of pre-1967 borders with Al-Quds as its capital. This SU summit is being held amidst unprecedented suffering of the people of Palestine as a result of Israel's ongoing brutal military campaign in Gaza. More than 37,000 people have been martyred, including thousands of children, and millions have been displaced. The UN Human Rights Council's Commission of Inquiry has rightly concluded that Israeli acts amount to war crimes, and according to the International Court of Justice, a plausible genocide for which Israel must be held to account. In line with the spirit of today's meeting, we must call upon the international community, in particular the UN Security Council, to uphold its responsibility to ensure an immediate ceasefire, free flow of humanitarian assistance, and protection of civilians in entire Gaza Strip. The UN must also ensure the implementation of its resolution for the peaceful settlement of all long-standing disputes.